are discussing the similarity between an electric dipole and a circular coil carrying current. The expression for magnetic field along the axis of a circular coil carrying current is this. I am continuing with yesterday's derivation here, which we dealt halfway and I had to stop. See here, B is equal to mu naught I r square divided by 2 into z square plus r square raised to 3 by 2. If the axis or the point P along the axis is much away from the center of the coil, then the axial length becomes much greater than the radius of the coil. Neglect it. Neglect r with respect to z. Substitute r as 0, you get this, and therefore B is equal to mu naught I r square divided by 2z cube. Now what we'll do here, we'll multiply and divide by 2 pi simultaneously. When you multiply and divide by 2 pi, you get mu naught I 2 pi r square divided by 4 pi z cube. Okay. Therefore B is equal to mu naught I 2, what is pi r square, area of the circular coil, divided by z cube. Students, therefore B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 current into area divided by z cube. Now what is current into area? Denoted by capital M actually, which is called as the magnetic moment. Expression for, you have learnt it in your 11th standard मुलांनो. Magnetic moment. ठीक है, magnetic moment of the circular coil carrying current, because circular coil behaves as a temporary magnet with one end acting as the south pole and the other end acting as the one end acting as a north pole and the other end acting as a south pole. That's it. Look here. So what will be the expression here then? B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 m divided by z cube. Students, for electric dipole, mu naught is the constant taken for magnetic field. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is the constant taken for electric field, 2 p divided by z cube, where p is the dipole moment. P is the dipole moment. So when you compare the magnetic field, it becomes electric field. Mu naught is the constant used for magnetic field. Epsilon naught is the constant used for electric field. Similarity झाली ही. ठीक है? Students, today we will be discussing something called as Ampere's law. Concentrate here. Nothing big, nothing international, and 2 applications of Ampere's law. For upcoming test which I will be taking in the month of November, the portion will be till here. Okay, till magnetic effect of electric current. That's it. 7 topics will be there. Section B 4, section A 3 topics. Total 7, which is actually your terminal portion. Okay. So what is Ampere's law? I'll take the problems also. Don't worry. Now what is Ampere's law? See, you have to take the reference of these 2 diagrams here. The direction of current, if it is pointing vertically upwards, okay, the magnetic field is represented by the curled fingers. Consider an elemental length dl. Okay. What is Ampere's law? Ampere's law is related to magnetic field, which behaves upon the symmetric distribution of current. Dot are the currents in the pointing in the vertically downward direction. Crosses are the currents pointing in the vertically downward direction. Dot हे vertically upwards कधीही, कारण ते नॉर्थ पोल म्हणून वागतात, आणि क्रॉस हा current pointing in the vertically downward direction. Okay, let me mark this as I1, I2, I3 and I4. See here, आता ह्याला थोडं प्रिसाइज करूया. ह्याच डायग्रामला, this is the direction of B along the tangent. This is the elemental length which is also along the tangent. This is the radius and this is d theta. Are you okay here? हे इथं मी ते d theta and all I have not shown. ठीक है? The Ampere's law states that integration of magnetic field ओव्हर द एलिमेंटल लेंथ DL. हां, हे काय सर्कल काय, बिकॉज वेन यू इंटिग्रेट इट यू गेट अ सर्क्युलर लूप. दॅट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ दिस circle here. Integration of magnetic field with respect to the elemental length of the circular loop is equal to mu naught times the total current flowing through that loop. This is your Ampere's law. I'll repeat. Integration of magnetic field over the elemental length, you get a closed loop here, is equal to mu naught times the total current flowing through that circular loop. You are already aware that A dot B is equal to AB sin theta is equal to mu naught I. Find B ला बाहेर काढा. cos theta तुमच्या डोळ्यासमोर दिसते मुलांनो. cos theta is the angle between B and DL, and you see that the angle between B and DL is 0, cos 0 is 1, is equal to mu naught I. Are you okay, students? Mu naught I. Okay. Next. Now, what is expression for magnetic field due to a straight conductor? It is mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. Are you okay here? Mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. That is the expression for magnetic field here. Magnetic field due to arc length mu naught I into line integration dl is equal to mu naught I. आर यू ओके ह्या. हां स्टुडंट्स, आता हे म्यू नॉट आय कसं मिळतं ते आपण बघूया. म्हणजे LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS करायचं आपल्याला. देअरफॉर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट हिअर. हे ॲक्च्युली म्हणजे मला हे प्रूव्ह करायचं. B डॉट DL इज म्यू नॉट आय. हां, B बाहेर काढलं. म्यू नॉट आय इज what is line integration of dl when you integrate it you get the circumference of the circle. That's it. What are you getting here? Mu naught I. Is the statement correct? Line integration of B dot dl is equal to mu naught I. Are you okay? I'll repeat it again. For a closed loop carrying current, I1 and I2 are the currents in the vertically upward direction. I3 is the current in the vertically downward direction. Okay, dl is the small little elemental length. B is the direction of the magnetic field as per the right hand rule, and I is the direction of current. Now you may ask me, teacher, हे I1, I2, I3 चा काय उपयोग? Concentrate here. Therefore, what do you get here? Mu naught line integration of B dl किंवा B dot dl is equal to mu naught total current I is the sum of the currents due to these tiny wires, symmetric distribution of current. I1 and I2 in the vertically upward direction, म्हणजे in the same direction, hence positive sign, and I3 in the downward direction and hence negative sign. Now what about I4? It's out of the loop, nothing to do with that. Are you okay? I'll repeat. Consider a circular loop which is formed due to symmetric distribution of currents. Okay. This is the direction of the magnetic field. This is tiny little elemental length dl. Ampere's law states that B dot dl is equal to mu naught I. You are going to prove that A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Theta is the angle between B and dl. Okay, students, what is theta? Theta is the angle between B and dl, which is 0 here. So cos 0 is 1. Hence we get what? B ला बाहेर काढलं. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ DL इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट आय. मुलांना तुम्हाला मी अनेक मेथोडॉलॉजी दाखवते. हे बघा, हां सेम थिंग आल बी युझिंग हिअर. B आता B लाईन इंटिग्रेशन DL घेतलं ना. लाईन इंटिग्रेशन DL. व्हॉट इज DL? S इज इक्वल टू R थीटा. हे घ्या, R D थीटा विच इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट आय. आर यू ओके हिअर? आर यू फाईन हिअर? हां, B integration of the closed loop from 0, angle will be maximum. R can be taken out here. D theta is equal to mu naught I. Therefore, B into R into 2 pi is equal to mu naught I. Hence, what do we get here? B into R into 2 pi, because total angle D theta will be what? 2 pi. Are you okay? Therefore B is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. हां, म्हणजे मला हेच एक्सप्रेशन मी घेतलं आहे अँड आय हॅव गॉट द 2 pi r here. Mu naught I divided by 2 pi r, which is the magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current. That's it. I'll repeat it. हे बघा, B dot dl, integration of dl is r d theta. हां, B is mu naught I divided by 2 pi r into r d theta. हे बघा, we'll put it like this here. बरं थांबा, हां तुम्हाला थोडं कन्फ्यूज झालं असेल, जरा थांबा, दाखवते. I'll continue from this step. B line integration dl is equal to mu naught I as per the statement. हे तरी मान्य आहे? ठीक आहे. B line integration of dl is r d theta is equal to mu naught I. हे मान्य आहे? हे मान्य आहे स्टुडंट्स? ओके. Now we are going to prove LHS is equal to RHS. B magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current, which is substitution is mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. R is the radius. Line integration from where to where? Maximum 0, minimum 0 to 360 degrees of d theta. We are going to prove that it is mu naught I. हे बघा, cancel mu naught I upon 2 pi r cancel. Integration of d theta from 0 to 2 pi is again 2 pi. What we have proved here? Mu naught I is equal to mu naught I into 2 pi divided by 2 pi is mu naught I. We are getting LHS is equal to RHS. कळतंय? अशाही पद्धतीने केलं तरी सेम, नाही केलं तरी सेम. ठीक आहे. हे बघा, I have to continue with this step here. B line integration of dl is r d theta. Substitute केलं, expression for magnetic field घेतला and end the job. ठीक आहे स्टुडंट्स, this is one expression here. Now we will take solenoid. Solenoid here. What is solenoid here? Actually it is a coil of wire of large number of turns. Coil of wire of large number of turns wrapped in the shape of a cylinder. आता हे मॅग्नेटिक फील्डच्या फॉर्ममध्ये दाखवूया. हे बघा, विल राईट इट एज A, B, C, D आणि हे लाईन्स कला असे. These are the direct lines, magnetic lines of force which are inside the solenoid. हां, आणि ही त्या solenoidची boundary, which is a coil of wire of large number of turns. Same derivation. Okay. AB, CD is the magnetic lines of force of the coil which is inside the solenoid. Okay. Use the definition from Ampere's law. Line integration of B dot dl is equal to mu naught I. B line integration of dl is equal to mu naught I. B line integration, what is dl? Integration from A to B of dl plus B to C of dl plus C to D of dl plus D to A of dl. कळतंय स्टुडंट्स? का घेतलं असं? B डॉट dl, dl is length AB plus BC plus CD plus DA आणि B is common to everybody. which is as usual equal to mu naught I. I'll repeat, we are not going to take only the elemental length dl. The length is integration from a to b plus b to c plus c to d plus d to a. B is common to all of them. By definition, it is equal to mu naught I. Surviving is only this, a to b. B to c, the length is perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Theta is 0, cos 0 is, cos 90 is 0. D to C to D चा तरी संबंधच येत नाही, because it's out of the magnetic field. ह्याच्या magnetic fieldच्या beyond आहे ते. आणि D to A, again D to A and C to B to C and D to A are perpendicular to the direction of the field. Theta is 90. म्हणजे this doesn't survive as it's outside the 90 degree angle. This is outside. This is again 90 degree angle. ठीक है? So we end up with B line integration from what? A to B of dl is equal to mu naught I. B line integration of A to B is length of the solenoid, which is equal to mu naught NL small I. Now you may ask me, teacher, hey, NL small l काय? I is the current through each turn, N are the number of turns, and total length is L. Hence B is equal to mu naught I. N is the number of turns and I is the current through each turn with and hence the total lengths, or we can put it, the total lengths are of the total turns are of length N. म्हणून L. Cancel. Ends the job. That's it. Are you okay here? This is what I am going to deal here. This is regarding a solenoid. Solenoid म्हणजे it's a coil of wire. तुम्ही ते coil of wire असते ती of large number of turns wrapped in the shape of cylinder. Magnetic field is only inside the coil. आणि CD ना coilच्या बाहेर जाते. म्हणून AB is the length of the coil inside the magnetic field. BC perpendicular. Length perpendicular to the magnetic field, theta 90. AD perpendicular to the length of the field, theta 90. And CD outside the magnetic field, nothing to do with the magnetic field here. म्हणून surviving term is only AB. आणि म्हणून आपण AB ची फक्त इंटिग्रेशन करतो, which is L. I, total current I is the current flowing through each turn small I multiplied by number of turns which are of total length L. झालं. This is the expression for magnetic induction along the axis of the solenoid, which is inside it. कळतं? झालं. आता toroid घेऊया. What is toroid? Toroid is a solenoid itself मुलांनो. ते टायरमध्ये रबर ट्यूब घातल्यासारखं ते, whose two ends are joined together. डोनट कसा दिसतो? Okay? Toroid is nothing but a solenoid whose two turns are joined together. Again same story from Ampere's law. B is equal to mu naught I. B dot dl is equal to mu naught I. B out integration of dl is equal to mu naught. What is current? Number of turns multiplied by current through each turn. Therefore B, what is integration of dl? 2 pi r is equal to mu naught Ni. Are you okay? Therefore what is B? Due to a solenoid, B into 2 pi r, which is the total length, is equal to mu naught Ni. Hence B is mu naught Ni divided by 2 pi r. Ends the story. Are you okay here? Is it fine, Mulano? So what is a toroid? Toroid is a solenoid itself whose two ends are joined together. Use the Ampere's law, that is B dot dl is equal to mu naught I. Current is number of turns multiplied by current through each turn. and total length you get 2 pi r. So B into 2 pi r is equal to mu naught I Ni, and B is mu naught Ni divided by 2 pi. हां, सोलॉइड आणि टॉरॉइडमध्ये काहीच फरक नाही आहे. फक्त टॉरॉइडला मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड अलॉंग द सेंटर ॲट द सेंटर, अँड फॉर अ सोलॉइड magnetic field is produced along the axis. That's it. ठीक है students, in the next period I will start with the problems of this magnetic field. We'll stop for today.